Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Today we're going to do a quick set of paint poured flowers. If you've never done paint poured flowers before, they are so easy and the opportunities are endless in terms of colors and shapes and compositions. First, we're starting with a light gray base. My base is pretty thin. This is pretty much the same recipe I would use for any kind of Dutch pour. I'm just making sure I have a very thin layer down. So we're going to be working with some neon colors today. I have a neon pink, a neon orange, a Naples yellow, and you want to make sure you reserve enough of the gray color to do another pour around the outside of it, and I'll show you that in a second. I'm also adding some neon purple. So here's where I'm going to add that extra layer of gray, because we're going to blow the gray over on top of the colors here. I just have my hairdryer set on low. And this is sort of how this composition started out, which was a traditional Dutch pour, which it kind of comes out looking a little bit like a flowery piece. I decided to go in and add some flowers by doing little puddles and blowing them out with a straw. I don't really love it the way it is right now. My flowers didn't come out to be as formed as I would like, and this happens sometimes, so you just kind of have to roll with it. I'm going to add some white around the outside shapes of some of these petals. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some puddle flowers. So I do this by just layering the colors in a circle. So here I'm gonna start with purple. I'm gonna add some pink in. And you just need a basic straw to blow out into a flower form. Super easy. So I'm gonna do a few more flowers now. All right, and then this is the final piece. So this is a great technique for beginners or those of you who maybe are just looking to try something different and play around in your studio. Well, that's all the time I have for today. If you're interested in some other flower compositions that I have, I'll leave you here with a whole playlist of other options for you. I'll see you next time.